there! My name is Saida and I'm a parent of an autism kid. So, you might be wondering why am I using this puppet? One thing, I don't want to show my face. Another thing, I want to teach kids with these puppets and animations and storytelling. There are many parents who want to teach their kids with the puppets, they attract kids. And you might be wondering why my kid doesn't even look at them. That's really okay. Sometimes they glance the video. They are listening, subconsciously they're learning. Just switch on the TV and let them watch. There are so many other videos I have made teaching them how to talk to friends, potty training, bathing, hand washing, and storytelling, so many other things. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching my channel, Potty and Toilet Training.
Potty and toilet training. Oh, it's all it. Master floor. Let's clean it some more. Uh-oh, I got a potty. It's time to go to potty.
Pull your pants down.
Sit on the potty.
Press the water hose and wash your back.
There you are. Pull the pants off.
All done with your potty?
Flush the toilet. Go to the sink. Take this out. Open the tap. Wrap it.
Close the tap. Oh, there's a towel. Use the towel to clean your hand and wipe it.
Hold them.
Vocabulary: commode, water hose, stool, underwear, slippers, wash basin, mirror, tap, liquid soap, cloth, towel.